Hi everyone, welcome to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into German American Bank using a mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in German American Bank Login. Make a search, and from the search result, tap on this first link. This will take you to the home page of German American Bank, which looks like this. At the very top of the screen, you'll be able to see an online banking category. If you'd like to log into your online banking account, then simply type in your credentials inside the online banking tab. If you'd like to log into your business online banking account, you can tap on the sign in button right under business online banking. In today's video, I'm going to use this online banking option at the top. Enter your user ID in the first text box that you see, and then enter your password on the next. In case you forgot to use your ID or your password, then you can simply tap on this Forgot to use your ID or password link and follow the instructions. If you've not enrolled for online banking yet and you'd like to do so, tap on Enroll now. Register yourself to a new account by following the instructions. Finally, after typing in all of the information needed, tap Sign In, and you'll be logged into your online banking account for German American Bank using a mobile device. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.